In this video, we're going to derive the divisibility rule for 5. Most people know that if an integer ends in 0 or 5, it's divisible by 5. But we need to prove it. And here it goes. Note 1. Note that five goes into 10. Okay, note that 5 goes into 10. Which implies that 5 goes into any multiple of 10. I know it does. 5 goes into 10 times some number, some integer. How many times does it go in? It goes in 2m times. Okay, if m happened to be 7, so you have 70. Does 5 go into 70? Well, let's see. Oh, 5 goes into 10 2 times. 2 times 7 is 14. Well, if m is 7, and m is 7, yeah, 2 times 7, 14. 5 goes into that number 7 times. Doesn't matter if this was 10 times 17, then 5 goes into 10 times 17. How many times? Whatever 2 times 17 is. Doesn't matter. If you have 10 times 7,235 and you want to divide this by 5, yep, it goes in there. Goes in there 2 times that number of times. Okay, so we know that 5 goes into any multiple of 10. Second note. Note number 2. Let k equal any integer. Then k can be written as 10 times a plus b, where a is an integer and b is a digit. If you don't believe that, take any number, 7234. It is equal to this number, 723 times 10, which is 7230 plus 4. Yeah. That's 7234. Okay, where this number is an integer, but this is going to be a digit. It's either going to be the last number of any number. The rightmost, we'll call a number for a moment, is either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 all the way up to 9. That's called a digit. You know, what could I put there? Well, I can put a 2, or I can put a 4. 7, 2, 3, one more number. You can't put 78. Okay, now with this second note, we're in a good position. Okay, 5 divides k. K is any integer. If and only if 5 divides 10a plus b. 10a plus b. But we know that 5 goes into that number. So the only way 5 is going to divide the sum is if and only if 5 divides b. But b is a digit. B is equal to 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. B is one of them. But 5, the only way 5 goes into it, well, 5 goes into 0. It doesn't go into 1. It doesn't go into 2. No 3, no 4. 5 goes into 5, not 6, not 7, not 8. And 5 does not go into 9. So if and only if b is 0 or 5. So 5 divides a number k if and only if that last digit, the rightmost digit, the ones place, is 0 or 5. Well, we knew this, but we proved it rigorously. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends and enemies and family and classmates and schoolmates and school teachers all about my YouTube channel. Most of all, watch and learn.